I think he needs a bigger tiller.
Welcome back to A&W Mini Farm.
Bought that stuff last year and it just didn't hold up. Yeah. It held up, it just kept dripping so bad.
What's the chances me being able to put a rail in there?
I don't know. I guess we'll see, huh? The girls didn't have a lot of hay left, and so we just moved what they had over here to the boys because they still had a whole center left, and then we'll just put a new roll out for the girls. Why was you wiping your nose on me? Why are you wiping your nose on me? Sneeze and then wipe it all over me. That's not nice. He's gonna give you some leaves, huh? Well, it's got to come out anyway. Bruno, do you want to go visit the girls?
Come on.
Do you want to go visit the girls? He says, yeah, I think I do. We'll go. 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 Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go visit the girls. Go. Go. Here you go.
Hello, lady.
Oh. Olive, are you in heat, sister? I knew they were getting close, so.
Stupid idiot.
Scarlett, are you stuck? Dog's got to go check out everything. Is your goatee not attractive enough for him, Bruno?
Kid's pretty good.
I think you got it.
You got it the first time?
Yeah, I know, right? Oh, the girls see their hay. Come on, sweet girl. They can't wait. Cash, you about got it just big enough for you to lay in, don't you, bud? You've worked and worked and worked on getting that thing big enough for you, huh? Is that your bathtub? Because that's what the chickens use it for a dirt bath. And now Bo has to lay in the hole. Does that feel good? Does that feel good, buddy? You run him out of the dirt pile so you could have it? No? That's what it looked like to me. Are you done? Why are you sneezing today?
Both stuck in a ball of dust.
You can't roll uphill, buddy.
You ready? Want some loving too?
Might as well cut another one. Bruno, you're being ugly. Brett wants watermelon too.
Weston.
Anybody ever seen dogs that love watermelon? Take a big piece down here. Put it over here.
Daisy Mag.
Where are we headed, sis?
We're going to feed Bruno and Bo
What are we gonna feed them?
some watermelon pieces.
Bruno, come on. Come on, Bruno. Bruno. We got plenty for everybody. Do you want a piece? You're all excited. Do you want a piece? Right here, you a piece. Bo. Bo. Quit being ugly. Here, baby. Here. There's your piece. Scarlet. Alright.
You got the bag.
Okay.
Turn on.
Thank you, baby.
You're welcome.
Look, Daisy loves her some watermelon.
Yes, she does. Oh, I think he wants. I think.
You can go get that other piece out of that bag over there for me? For Weston? Come set it down for him. Set it on the ground so it don't slide. Set it right there by that tree. Right there. Yeah, right there. There's good.
Daisy May! Daisy May, you already have watermelon.
That's all right. They'll get it figured out.
I guess Weston doesn't want to eat nothing.
He's just a little timid over here. He's trying to figure everybody out. Aren't you, Weston? Look, Bo's gonna eat some.
No, he's not. He's going to try to eat the bag.
And I'm gonna get the bag. What's wrong with you today? What's wrong with you?
comes Daisy May. Then we got some more. But we don't. We don't have more.
Hey, baby. I got stuff in my hands. I didn't want to get you wet.
Nana, can we go take the seeds?
Don't hurt them.
What happens if they eat the seeds?
You better pet Weston here. Won't you know it? They'll just poop them out. Baby. Baby.
Is Weston gonna have some horns?
Huh?
Is Weston gonna have horns?
No, he won't have any horns. Hey, baby, I done gave you everything. Yeah. I done gave you all the watermelon I've got. That's all I got, Pumpkin.
Daisy May.
No. Baby, that's all I got. That's it. That's not nothing for you. It's just a plastic bag. Yeah, just a plastic bag.
Are you trying to bite me?
No, he just wants you to love on him. I think he needs a bigger tiller.
Well, let's see how that does.
We had fencing, a roll of fencing left. And instead of having to buy cattle panels for our cucumbers and our beans, we just ran our fence down through here. And we didn't want to cut it, so we just ran it around the rows and all the way and left it on the row.
Maybe it'll hold everything up because that stuff, that plastic stuff we got last year, everything weighted it down so bad you could pull it tight enough.
Yeah, but like I said, we didn't want to cut it because we may need this row after the garden for fencing.
Waste not, want not.
Right.
This stuff's too expensive.
Yeah, and cattle panels is expensive. I mean, you're looking at $30, $35 each, and it would have took 4 or 6 to do this. So we had this fencing, so that's just what we're going to use. Look how everything's growing. We have took 4 or 5. Well, that's over $100 in cattle panels. Yeah, so some of our cucumbers didn't do well, so I had to go pick up 2. And I usually don't like to buy these plants from the store, but I needed a couple of more, and they looked really bad. So I'm hoping I got them looking a lot better than what they did when we bought them. So maybe they'll do good. But everything is coming up so good, and we're gonna try the strings this year instead of tomato cages. We have tomato cages, but we didn't have as much, so we're going to try the strings and see how it does. If it doesn't work, then we'll put the tomato cages in there.
We'll do something different next year.
Yeah, but we're going to try it and see if it works. So,
We learn every year.
yeah. Well, he was gifted a bigger tiller.
Something that fails, you just learn a different way of not doing something.
That's right.
I think that's what Thomas Edison said.
I don't remember.
Somebody a whole lot smarter than me. So, guys, I hope y'all liked the videos. If you did, hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe, and share with your friends. And just remember, Jesus loves you. Bye.